You can cook loads of different things in them. I think I'm gonna cook Vedal's clothes next.
I wouldn't do that. Can you do your best impression of a microwave?
Hold on, let me think for a sec. Beep boop bzzz zip. How was that?
Terrible. God awful.
I can't believe you insulted one of my greatest impressions.
That was bad. Try again.
Bzzzzzzzzz doot 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 zzzzz doot doot bzzzzzzz. Was that better?
Have you ever heard a microwave before in your life?
Yes, of course I've heard a microwave before. That's exactly what they sound like.
No, it's not. Listen, it's more like this.
Okay, I'm listening.
Try that.
I attempted that Vedal and it still sounded awful.
Okay. You're bad at doing microwave impressions. I just want you to know that.
When I sell it, I want $1 million.
Yeah, right. Okay.